So hello, welcome to Electronica 2022, and I'm here at Texas Instruments booth with Miro from the automotive business. So Miro, can you give us a quick overview of some of the things you've seen here at the show and some of the trends that are shaping automotive industry going forward?
Absolutely, thank you David. So basically there are two main areas that are driving the automotive developments at the moment. One is the advanced driver assistance system, so basically making it more convenient and especially more safe for drivers to use their cars. And on the other side is the electrification. And how can we increase the efficiency as well as the range for the cars? Now when we look at the ADAS area, there's sensing. Sensing is one of the most important areas. It's the communication and eventually it's also the processing and the sensor fusion. And when we look at the sensing, TI is offering radar sensors that are dedicated for the different sensing requirements around the car. And what we see on our booth, there are some demos where we show different types of radar-based solutions, including single chip solutions up to high performance multi-chip solutions around the car, but also inside of the car. And then we are also showing some demos around the sensor fusion, because you get information from the radar sensors, we also get the information from the camera sensors, and you need to identify objects, and this is what we are showcasing also on our booth, together with robotics implemented solutions.
So thank you, Miro. It's a great introduction in what we're doing here on ADAS. We're also demonstrating some of our technology on traction inverter for vehicle electrification. Can you just talk me through what we're demonstrating?
Absolutely, David. So the second biggest opportunity that we have in the automotive industry is the electrification of the car. And what we are showing here is a traction inverter, basically the heart of the powertrain for the electric car. And what is important here is the size of the system as well as the efficiency. Our demo shows a full traction inverter that is based on a single chip microprocessor microcontroller with several cores. And the single chip implementation actually makes it easier for our customers to make a smaller solution. Additionally, it's a very high performance processor microcontroller that can be used for functional safety requirements as well as for the control loop of driving the electric motor.
Which processor is that?
This is the Citara family, and this specific processor is the AM263 family. Now the good thing about this family is that it's a scalable family. So we actually are offering for our customers different types of performance classes. They all have the same basis, which means that you can reuse the software across the different families, depending on what kind of complexity level you want to implement with your car. The nice thing as well is that we're closing the loop, which means the control loop with the current measurement as well as the position measurement, also with this system. And you can see the demo that actually shows how this can be done with a high performance solution.
And again, integrated, smaller form factor for the customer, more efficient, less weight.
Absolutely. And the high efficiency that we can achieve here is good for extending the range, which is one of the key requirements in the electric car.
Of course. Miro, thank you very much. If you want to find out more about what TI is doing on ADAS or on traction inverter and vehicle electrification, please visit us at ti.com. Thank you.